Howdy. I wanted to do a percent change problem for you so that you had an example to work from. So good problem solvers always read the problem many times. What have we got here? During a 15% off sale, Chuck Norris paid $26.35 for a high quality hatchet to trim his beard. What was the original price? So since this is a percent change, I'm going to start thinking about the quantities I have to work with. The base is the original price. I don't know what that is. I know that's the base because I am talking about a 15% off sale. 15% off some number is 26.35, and I don't know what that is. The final amount is $26.35. The amount of the discount is something we don't know, but we're going to be able to measure it in two different ways, and that's how we're going to find the amount discount. We're not going to call it a variable. We're just going to write it in two different ways using one variable. The percent discount we know is 0.15 or 15%. So the amount of the discount is the base minus the final amount. And if you think about this, original price minus sale price has to be the discount, but the amount of the discount also has to be the percent discount multiplied by the base. So X, the base, minus $26.35, the amount, final, has to equal 15% of X. And remember, this has a coefficient of 1. So to solve this equation, I'm going to subtract 0.15x from both sides of this equation. 1x minus 0.15x minus, and then I'm just going to go ahead and add 26.35 to both sides. That's where I get $26.35 over here. 1 minus 0.15 is 0.85x was $26.35. X is $26.35 divided by 0.85. And now I think this is fair to ask you to do without a calculator. So let me show you a strategy. Note that $26.35 divided by 0.85, this number, that's the tenths, that's the hundredths place, that's the tenths, that's the hundredths place. So I'm going to multiply by 1. I'm going to multiply by 1, where 1 is 100 over 100. That gives me 2,635 over 85. So now I will put the divisor outside the fence or the hockey stick, or I don't have a good name for this. I wish I did, but I don't. The dividend goes in here. And now I'm going to think about how many groups I can make of size 85, and I'm going to have to go out to 263. 8 times 3 is 240. 80 times 3, this is an 80, times 3 is 240. 5 times 3 is 15, so 85 times 3, it should be 255, and you can verify that if you're not sure. Woohoo! Now we subtract. So now we've got 85, one group of 85. So, and remember to answer the question clearly. The hatchet originally cost $31. I hope this was helpful.